Okay, here we are. Parts Avatar order has arrived. My rack and pinion steering for my Mercedes wagon has arrived relatively unscathed. Okay, let's check out the contents here. Looks like some instructions here. There it is, all nicely shrink wrapped. And here's a quick comparison of the original part with the Parts Avatar part. Seems to be the correct one. New boots. And now to put it on the wagon. I just wanted to show I ordered new tie rod ends from Parts Avatar as well, and they look to be the correct part. So here's the whole setup here. Right and left tie rod ends. Okay, it comes with a warning sticker that your warranty is voided if you don't flush the power steering system, which I have already done, completely drained it. Also, there's an electrical connection here to hook to your servotronic, which I may in fact just swap the solenoids out so that it uses the original electrical connector plug. It's a short little video showing that I have drained and flushed my power steering pump and reservoir. She's all nice and empty. Now to put the rack in.